Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing another Coach unboxing, and this time I didn't get one but two of these Coach bags that I will be adding in my collection. So let's open it. So let's see what's inside. This is the first one. So this is the first one. So they have already put it inside a dust bag. And let's see what I got here. And this one is in hibiscus color. It's so beautiful with a brass hardware. Yeah, this is actually my first time to get the Rambler. I mean, I've been contemplating if I will be adding this one in my collection because I am more of like a top handle type of person when it comes to purses. But when I saw this one online, this is like 50% off, and it's been on the website ever since when they have the summer sale. And I was thinking like, well, first and foremost, this one is actually made up of Glovetanned leather, which I love. I know that there are some people out there, there are few people out there that didn't really appreciate the Glovetanned leather. It's because they are very they're prone for scratches, and they could easily get like, you know, dents, and yeah, a lot of yeah. So if you're the type of person that didn't like your bag to get so scratched easily, so I don't think this is the purse for you, because eventually the Glovetanned leather is really could easily attract scratches. So anyways, this is how the bag looks like. Again, the iconic turnlock. What I like about this bag, I mean, let me see. Okay, the inside, very nice. This one, the flap is made up of Glovetanned leather as well. I love that this one, the flap is made up of leather. Yes, a back-to-back leather. So let's remove some stuffing so we'll be able to see more on the inside. Wow, it has a large compartment on the inside. Wow, that is so lovely. Very nice. And also here, right in front, there's a slip pocket right here in front. And also it says genuine Glovetanned leather. Very nice. I think that's a nice touch eventually. So you could put anything in here, whatever you feel like putting right in front of the pocket. The inside, once again, has a large compartment. It has another slip pocket right here at the back. It's actually a slip pocket right at the back. What else do we have here? That's pretty much it. At the back, yeah, it's another pocket right here at the back as well. Very lovely, very soft. One thing that I love about the Glovetanned leather, it's like so soft and very flexible. Oh, look at the detail of, look at the, oh my gosh, look at the leather, guys. It's wrinkly, it's wrinkling. Oh wow, I love the texture of this leather. When they started to show those wrinkles, the veins, oh, that makes me feel like it reminds me of something. It reminds me of a particular leather when I see that. And that's another character that I love about the Glovetanned leather. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. I love it though. I do love it. It's just, I mean, okay, this one is, yes, this is a crossbody. I wonder if this one, I wonder if the strap is removable though. I mean, like I mentioned earlier, that this is my very first time to own a Rambler, and yeah, I think this strap is removable. You can actually remove the strap. The reason why I said that if whether the strap is removable, because I am the type of person that like to dress up my purse, and I think I could put a chain strap on this. I believe I could, yes, but this one would show then. Yeah, well, that is just gonna be like some sort of an, yeah, I don't think that would look bad if, oh yeah, I could put a chain strap on this pretty much. Oh yeah, I thought this is not removable. I was checking it online. I thought it's not removable, but I am so happy to know that it is removable. So this strap is actually, you could adjust this one to, how many settings do we have here? There are 5 settings right here. So it's just really up to you guys, depending on your length. So yeah, depending on the length that you will be adjusted. So I will be just looking at the detail over here. I love the fact that the corners didn't have much of a glazing, and the flap. Usually with the purse, with my experience with the flap purse, the problem is the flap. This part of the flap could easily get worn. So they easily get worn. And when you have a glazing on this corner, and that was the first thing that started to come off, it started peeling, it started like, you know, the glazing would started to deteriorate. But this one, it is actually sealed with the leather. Very nice. That is such a smart move for Coach to do that. And I believe this bag would probably gonna last a long time. I believe so, because the only thing, yeah, it's amazing. I am so surprised because would never have thought that I will be adding a Rambler to my collection. No, I would have never have thought, because I just don't know why. But when I saw this one, I saw a few reviews online, and there was just one lady that I was actually following, and she actually ordered like all the colors from Rambler. I said to myself, there must have been something in the Rambler why she actually purchased a lot. She probably purchased a lot of different colors, and those are just beautiful, vibrant colors, and it has such a positive reviews. And now I see it in my eyes. I am surprised. It is just beyond my expectations actually with this bag. I mean, the lining on the inside, let me just take a look at the, oh, okay. So the story patch is actually embossed. It is embossed. It is beautiful. And also, let me just take a look. Okay, the only lining on the inside here is fabric. Yeah, it's fabric. It's a different kind of fabric though. It is one of those rough fabric that they have. It's made up of canvas, so sometimes their fabric is a little bit more of like suede, or no, not suede, microfiber fabric, or some sort of like something like made up of a really soft material. But this one is made up of canvas. It's a little rough, but regardless, the craftsmanship of this particular item, it's beautiful. I love it. I mean, yeah, I am so surprised, really honestly surprised, because this has never been on my wish list. To be honest, this has never been in my wish list. It's because, I don't know, it's just like, I cannot explain the reasons why, but when I saw it, it's amazing. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. Okay, let's move on to the next one that I purchased. So I have here, this color is, so the website, this one, they said this color is in elm, but I would just say this is more of like a taupe, like a sand taupe. Oh, this is such a beautiful color, guys. I mean, the contrast between the brass turnlock and the taupe, it's beautiful. It's classic. Very lovely, very nice. I think this one is actually has a little bit of like a burnt style on the corner. Very nice. This one has the same feature as the other one, as yeah, the same size as well. So let's just take a look at inside. Oh wow, this is even, I don't know, this, I think this is even nicer. Well, the other one is in a bright color, and this one is more of like, you know, if you want a like neutral color. I love it. The leather is so soft, buttery feel to it. Oh my goodness. And currently this is still available online. I am so surprised. I am so astonished knowing that this has been, I think, since day one, before they have a 50% off. This has already been on sale, and until this point of time, I checked the website. This is still on sale. It is still available, and wow, I'm happy that I was able to get a hands of these and decided to add this one in my collection. I did not expect at all. I did not expect at all that I will be adding this one in my collection for some reason, because I thought that I am more of like a top handle person. I love to carry my bag on the handle like this, and they actually advertise this like, you know, they call this one as Rambler Crossbody. So right in my head, I thought it is just a crossbody, and I thought this strap is not removable. In fact, it is removable. I love it, and I could just dress this one up however I wanted. I am so excited to put a brass chain on this. Would definitely gonna look. And also what I noticed about this one, guys, is like, yeah, like I mentioned over here, sometimes when you have a purse, like a crossbody, or like, you know, like some sort of a bag that has the handle is right here in the corner, which majority of the handles is right here in the corner. What I notice most of the time is the wear is on this corner, the wear, because the particular strap that you are actually using, especially if it's made up of metal, could rub against the corner. So that's usually the issues that you are actually getting with that. And with this particular item, see, so actually this is the strap right here. Let me just try to open this one to show it to you guys. And okay, so this is the strap, and it is just actually right here at the corner. So this is the brass hardware, and when you wear this purse, look, when you wear this purse, this strap, the leather strap, is actually pressed against the flap. So it is not the hardware, but instead of the hardware, it is the leather, and that added more protection to the flap, which is nice. Okay, wow, I'm surprised. I think this is such a beautiful bag. I think just by looking at it, the craftsmanship, I think the style, I think the leather. Let me just warn everybody that this particular leather, the Glovetanned leather, is so beautiful. It is so soft, but it is prone to scratches. Just so you guys be aware of that. So when you receive your item, when you purchase your item, expect that there is just going to be a little bit of scratches all over, because that's just the nature of the leather. So this one, I am seeing scratches. I don't mind, because I'm already aware that this particular leather is prone to that. Look at the vein again on this particular leather. It is just showing the texture of the Glovetanned leather. It is so beautiful. very well made. Look at the stitching right here. I think the stitching is a contrast a little bit. Yeah, this one is leather, the ox blood. It's very lovely. The inside has a one large pocket as well, and a zip pocket right here. The fabric lining on the inside. There's a pocket right here in front. It is so beautiful. I think just by looking at this one right now, my first look, I mean, I am totally sold with this bag for a lot of reasons. Number one, not much of a glazing to worry about when, you know, there's not much glazing around the corner. And then second is very soft, buttery soft. The inside is actually, it's very flexible, guys. Very, very nice. It looks classy. You could also, another thing that I like about this bag is you could wear this, you could actually dress this purse. Definitely, that's another thing that I like about this. And also, yes, the crossbody is adjustable. The beautiful, beautiful brass hardware. I like that. It's just simple. It's not loud. It's not something that, hey, I have a coach here, I'm wearing something like whatever, something like that. It is so beautiful, very classy purse. I love it. So the code for this one is, I believe it's 89127. Probably gonna have to, yeah, probably if you want to know the style for this particular item, I will be putting it on the description and also with this price as well, because the thing with Coach is like sometimes the prices varies from store to store. So just so you know, guys, that most of my Coach items that I'm showing on my channels, these are not sponsored. I am also not affiliated with Coach at all. I didn't work for Coach. I am not affiliated with Coach. I purchased this one with my own money. This is part of my passion, collecting purses. They are beautiful. So more likely, yes, I purchased this one with my own money, and I'm so happy that it's just makes me feel like makes my money worth just by looking at it right now. It's lovely. The leather is so beautiful. Wow, very nice. Yes, if you're looking for a particular bag that you think that it's worth your money, you might probably consider getting this one. It was still on sale. It is so beautiful. The leather, the craftsmanship, the style, the practicality. You could put a lot on this bag. You could style it however you want it. It is so beautiful and it's lovely. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.